Hey, what's up, guys? Just a quick update. It's been 2 weeks. Ooh, there's a big old cat in here. It's been 2 weeks, 2 months, or something like that. I haven't been able to do anything. The first month, I had family come over, visit, and they were here for the whole month. So, I was hanging out with them and going places, cool stuff. But then, as soon as I was gonna go starting this one, I went ahead and started another project work thing. But I mean, basically, see, this is still the same how I left it. That's it. But I started working on my brother's car, changing the transmission on that, which is right there, which has been sitting there for the last month. It is a Kia Rio, I think. Yeah, Kia Rio, and it sucks. But I mean, it's 7 o'clock right now, and I mean, you can tell it's on like 7 o'clock, and it's 80 something degrees, so it gets really hot, like ridiculously hot, and then it's super humid here, so it's not. There's no way, like, it just can't. And then I still have this in the garage, so to take this out, I gotta take the gray one off, push back, and stuff like that. But I'll show you guys a quick update too of the back window. It's super hot, and I'm over here getting sick. So basically, the back window's held pretty good so far, and like I said, it's blazing hot over here, 90s, high 90s. But I mean, it's still good. Well, let me get some light. I mean, it's still early, so there's a lot of dew or whatever. But as you can tell, it's still pretty much the same how it was before. Still nice and tight. There is some spots where it's completely off glued, but I mean, you can tell right here. I only put a little piece with a little bit of glue right here, so that really didn't glue. And I think that's where I'm getting my water, because there's a lot of moisture back here. But so I might glue that, but I was gonna glue it, but I'm not no more, and I'll tell you why right now. But for the most part, everything else is where I did put glue. It's holding up pretty good. And I mean, like I said, I drive this every day right now, and it's held good. Like it's not going nowhere. But yeah, just the spots where I didn't glue it is not. Obviously, it's not glued, but everything else is holding. So that glue is gonna work for this heat. I don't know about the cold yet. We'll see in a couple months. See if it resists the cold and how that's gonna work. But I was gonna glue this, but I'm not going to, because as you can tell, I messed up on some spots where it's all wrinkly and stuff. But I really didn't mind. But then I guess it's depending on the plastic you get or you buy. Well, this one's already still dew on it, but this one's getting foggy. I guess it's not really UV treated or whatever for the sun, but I can still see through it. I mean, it still looks really good once it's once you get all this off. But yeah, I might change it. That's why I haven't glued it completely still. Waiting to see how bad it's gonna get, or if it's just dust from the inside, or something simple. But if it's not, then obviously I'll change it. But I mean, you see, it's held pretty good. But yeah, so I'm gonna wait a couple more weeks, maybe a month or two, see if it gets any worse, or if it stays like that or anything. And if it does stay like that, then I will go ahead and glue it. But if it gets worse, then I'll take it off, and hopefully I'll be able to take it off without ripping the top. Or if anything, I just do it how I plan to do it in the beginning. Just cut right here, leave a little piece piece on the whole window, and then just glue the new one on top, and that should work out too. And once I did glue the back window or whatever, the top is still tight. I don't have that bubble top no more, and that's pretty good. Except the only bad thing is when you close the top on this side, this one's super hard. I guess I tightened it too much to where like you basically have to be hanging off of the side right here just to pull it down and tighten it. And you know, as of right now, I don't see it as a bad thing, but maybe later on, you know, it'll affect, like, you know, where it bends and stuff or something. I don't know, but we'll see. I'll see if I can loosen this top or something. That way it won't be so hard, because it's really tight. It's crazy tight. But yeah, I mean, still looks the same. Put that steering wheel cover back on. My brake thing. Got Rick in the shifter, because I still don't know what to do with the what to put here. My cup holder thingy. Got a system in it now. Door panels. My plan is to basically buy more of this mats right here and glue two together, because I mean one's too small, and hopefully you'll cover that whole door and then just be able to glue it. I'm pretty sure I've already said it, but I'm not 100% sure. But the main reason, you know, I took them off obviously because they were cracked, you know, and the side pieces were already falling off and everything. But also because I got broader shoulders, so I really didn't fit. Like I was, you know, I was squished in here, and like right here, it was squishing me on the sides. So it was comfortable, because I mean, I just put my hand on top. But here recently it was so hot. I usually have the AC on, so I can't put my hand out or whatever, which is dumb. I mean, you know, I could have had a convertible, but you know, but I'm gonna do that, and you know, it's gonna be straight on the plate right here in the metal. So hopefully it'll make it look a little bit nicer. And if not, then I'm gonna just get some Dynomat and make sure I, you know, do something to it, make it look a little bit nicer, and then just put it on the door. I've already seen it done once on a truck, I think it was. It looked really nice, so hopefully that'll look nice too. But that's the plan. But that's basically it. I haven't really done much to it. Like I said, the whole past month, my family was here on vacation, so I was chilling with them. And then this past time, it's just been trying to work on that brown car, because I mean, it's right there, like right in the driveway. So, well, in the garage driveway, and it's right in the way. So I gotta move that too. So I haven't been able to work on 300, but we've also been getting some storms, like pretty bad storms. And I left the back of the car open, so basically it's all kind of ruinish. Let me just show you right quick. Let's see. Yeah, I still gotta give it a good detail, but so I've been working on this. There's a dog. It's this nice green one. See, I left the back open. And I work third shift, so, you know, I'm never really home when the storms happen, which is at night. And this whole back thing is basically full of water. Like, you can see a little lake, which basically means that it filled up the tire well, and then it still filled up more. And you can see like how I messed up all that rust that's there now. I mean, it sucks. Like, I have, you know, some electrical stuff in here, some pretty good stuff, and it's soaked now. But that was my fault. But hopefully I could, you know, save all this, which I mean that's not bad right there. But all this other stuff, I think I have the computer back here for the SR. Yep, it's right there. I think it's somewhere in here. I don't know. But yeah. But oops. But I guess that's about it. I'm just go ahead and try it. I'm gonna go ahead and try to finish that transmission right quick, and hopefully I should be able to start working back on this maybe next week or something like that. So I'll start posting back again. But so far that's still the plan. Put the SR in here. But you know, I change my mind all the time. We'll see. But yeah, but thanks for watching. I will start posting once again. Sorry about the not posting. But if you have any questions about the vert or the cluster or that nice cup holder, which I have some, trying to make some, but haven't really found what to make them out of yet. Like something that's, you know, gonna be nice and clean looking. Just let me know, and thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, and peace out.